Power BI is a dashboard tool from Microsoft that lets you connect to various data sources and create visually stunning and interactive dashboards. Rego's Clarity and Power BI experts share how to use Power BI with Clarity data in this free training course. In addition to the three main components of Power BI, the class will cover the following topics: understanding how Power BI works with Clarity data, connecting data to sources, creating reports and dashboards, generating and modifying M and DAX scripts. With this knowledge, you'll impress everyone with your Power BI dashboards and reports. Our hands-on training course is 3 hours long and taught by Rego expert guides, the same consultants who have guided more than 650 companies through their PPM and Agile journeys. To learn more and register, visit regoconsulting.com.